So welcome everyone. I'm delighted to speak today with Dominic Harland from GB Labs. We are happy to have you today in our IABM TV session. Welcome, Dominic.
Thank you very much.
Could you briefly introduce yourself and tell also a bit about your company, please?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Dominic Harland. I'm the CEO and CTO, and GB Labs is a manufacturer of storage solutions or central storage solutions, specifically for any users that are working with media files.
Great. And at first, I would like to also congratulate you. Despite the COVID pandemic, I understand you've just launched a new product, FastNAS Generation. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So not many new products have been launched recently due to the current circumstances. Tell me more about this product, and also why did you decide to launch it right now?
Yes, sure. The product is our next generation of the FastNAS range. It's really from the ground up. It's new hardware as well as the next generation of our software. In fact, this is the second product we've launched during the pandemic, and really we've taken the time to really have a look at our technology, and it's given us the slightly quieter times, given us the opportunity to really look at what we're doing and improve it. And we found that in talking to customers during the pandemic that they're now wanting to do even more things all at the same time. And that's partly because people are not in the office as much as they were previously,
right,
and partly because the people that are working from home, that provides an extra layer of strain, if you like, on the storage, because you've got to make proxy files, you've got to copy files on and off the system if people are home working.
Right.
So we could see this also becoming sort of a more of a long-term issue. So it was very important for us that the new product should not just deliver a huge amount of performance, which it does, although the old product was still a class leader, but that it can do this whilst doing lots of these other tasks at the same time. And that made it very applicable, or makes it very applicable for today's market. And that's why not only have we developed it now, but we've also chosen to release it now as well.
Yeah, definitely makes sense, particularly the COVID pandemic is still continuing, and certain ways of working will likely stay, and as we have seen already so far. The headline on the PR is that you boost NAS performance by 1000%.
Yeah.
That's quite a bold statement. So would you like to explain more?
Yes. Yeah. So we are comparing that to our previous range of products, so the outgoing FastNAS compared to the Gen 2. So in areas where the system's under heaviest load, so in these areas where it's doing streaming as well as copying, rendering, and other tasks, the new system is comfortably over 10 times as fast, or 1000% quicker than the outgoing, some of the outgoing products. Okay.
Proves then, legitimizes then the figure 1000%. What about the price and availability of this product line? What can we expect?
It's a good question, because at the moment a lot of people are used to price points going up, and with component shortages and other bits and pieces, that seems to be a trend. We've devised we've specified the hardware very carefully, and we've managed to hold pretty much the same pricing as the outgoing product. So in terms of capacity and price points, they're very similar. But obviously the new product is delivering a lot more performance, but also this ability to do many tasks at once whilst coping with media streaming.
Interesting. And in terms of availability, when?
So good question. The availability of the product is we are building and taking orders and shipping the product as of yesterday.
Okay, well, congratulations also for because during these quite special times of the pandemic, there has been some delays in terms of microchips, and we have seen some supply chain shocks earlier, but it's great that you've been able to keep your development and launch also in time.
Yes, it's certainly not been without challenge, and I'm sure that that challenge will remain in the future, but we are doing our very best to keep our customers and our channel supplied with our products.
Great. Well, that's FastNAS second generation in a nutshell. Thank you very much, Dominic, and we stay tuned to hear more about GB Labs new products. Thank you so much.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.